Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our battery replacement process, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help us perform the replacements safely and effectively. Start by turning off your HP 17ce1035cl and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove any external devices connected to your laptop. Next, place the laptop on a flat, static-free surface to prevent any damage to its components. Now, let's remove the bottom cover. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the screws located on the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, take the plastic prying tool and gently slide it along the edges of the bottom cover. You will hear some clicks as the clips release. With the bottom cover off, locate the battery. It is usually a rectangular component connected to the motherboard. Take a moment to observe how the battery is positioned and note any connectors. For those who may not have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. To disconnect the battery, gently pull out the connector from the motherboard. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Once disconnected, we can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws holding it in place. Set the old battery aside, and it's a good idea to clean the area with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Now, take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it by fastening the screws that hold it into place. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it fits snugly. At this point, before reattaching the bottom cover, it's wise to perform a quick test. Connect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. If the laptop powers up successfully and recognizes the new battery, you're on the right track. If you encounter any issues, no worries, our service offers pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to make any calls or travel. Assuming everything is functioning as expected, proceed by placing the bottom cover back onto the laptop. Press down gently around the edges until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, securing the cover firmly. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your HP 17ce1035cl. If at any point this process feels overwhelming, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can significantly enhance your laptop's lifespan, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.